Jesu Kristi ị na-eme ekpere ịma ndị Igbo si ọgaranya amụrụ nri enye na nri mana ọdọsọ nke ama Igbo kwasị ọgaranya ya amụm ya bụkwazi onye obiọma ya bụ na ọ bụ onye obiọma gafetere na be anyị tata o nwere ife ọzọ dịka ọda tinyere o kwụsị ịgbalụ nwaanyị a jee na Boromeo hospital ka e nene ya arụ gwọọ ya ọya niile na-ayị ya ka akwụ ụgwọ ya bụ na ụlọ afụrụ ọ bụ Chukwu ọ bụrụ na Chukwu nwere etu ose n'ife nke ya ife nwa anyị tinyere na a ga-eme ya by 10 ọ bụrụ na 10 ka anyị tiri ya nwaanyị amakwuru ya osi na 10 by 11 si ya by 12 si na by 1 ọwa dịka ka Chukwu ọchọta kpọta nwaanyị nwa wee zọpụ ya ya bụ ekele dịrị Chukwu ọ bụrụ na ebe na-ebi ife ọfụma ọ ga-adị m ise foto nwaanyị a na nwa ya na-ene anya mgbe nwa ga-ebu ka e wee kọrọ ya akụkọ na nwa nwere history anyị na-ekele dịkọrọ Chukwu si n'aka ya wee lụọrọ ọma anụma na-ekwukwazi onye mere ndị ọzọ ọma ife ma ọ ga-abịa ya ka ọ ga-abịa ya bụ na etuzi osozi okwu ọ si n'ọkụ etu afọ small measures praise down shaking together overflowing the poured unto his life ya bụ na Chineke ga-ada eme gị mma na-eme gị mma ma na-echekwa site na Kristi nwere anyị.
This is the state of this state. We are in Okpoko. If you don't come here, you will not know that there are people, creators of God, under the leadership of this administration that cannot afford a daily meal. If you are traversing the third roads of Anambra State or living in the base areas of Oboja and Nigeria and you are Anambrarian, you do not know that you have brothers and sisters who are in this state who cannot afford 2-3 days daily meals. What it means is that if this could happen before us, that means there are thousands of them in this neighborhood. These are forgotten people. These are people who wake up from 5 a.m. and probably don't go back till 10 p.m. There are people who have energy and determined to work to survive. Like you heard the woman say she was walking up to go and buy something to hawk for 200 naira. That means if she has any opportunity, she could as well work to help herself and feed her children. This is the state of life. People do not know things have deteriorated to this level. It is painful. We need urgent attention. The Abga administration has done so bad to this state. No matter where they want to cover it, no matter the level of campaign they are making, 16 years is enough to have turned Anambra into a model state and employ the people who are living here. And now this population you see here that cannot feed themselves, if Abga revenue collectors will meet this woman on the road with that 200 naira water to hog, they will flog the hell out of her to extract her own money from her. And if she tells them she doesn't have, they will not understand. They'll beat and they flog her. What kind of life are we in? What have we done to deserve this? Oh God, come and help the people of Anambra State. These are the things that had inspired me to come out in this volatile, difficult moment to vie for this office. People need help. People need to be empowered. Our environment must look at the dirty environment where these people are living. How can somebody be held here? Look at where they live and where they work. Do you have to die and go to hell to see the feeling of hell? If you want to go to hell and feel it, come to Okpoko. That's the condition people who are created by God and who are common shareholders of our common resources. This is how government has reduced them.
What did you do for the woman?
Well, we first of all had to attend to immediate need. We bought food for her. She couldn't even eat the food by herself. We had to help her feed herself. And then I decided to drop in the immediate terms 200,000 naira with the Reverend Father to start immediate business for her. If she could try to do something with 200 naira, we'll see how she can go with 200,000. And then we have also agreed that my foundation will today take her to hospital immediately to look around her and help her in every way possible in case they are sending it for that. But what I've seen here is a show that I have work to do, no matter what happens. I'm moving in my foundation tomorrow to come to Okpoko. I know they do a lot of work, but they should do deeper and closer assessment. There are a whole lot of people here who need our help. But it's unfortunate that in this time, where we have created multi-billionaires in Anambra State, that we have our brothers and sisters who can still not feed themselves. I feel guilty about it. It's shame on all of us. But I think the government of the day, ABGA, they have a bigger blame for this.
Okay. Tell us, in terms of the road, this road has been awarded, as it were, and then construction will begin. Tell us how long it's supposed to last and how much it costs. And of course, how many kilometers it covers.
I think this should be about they're going to do thorough job. The details is in the bill of quantities, but for my concern is that I was in a church in this neighborhood one time. The priest during the homily was just almost in tears about the state of roads here, especially this particular road. So much so that every attempt he has made to reach out to authorities yielded no result. And so he had to resort to self-help, that is now mobilizing funds through his friends and those who believe in him to provide support to this community. So I decided to take it upon myself. So this is really, I was touched by the homily. I came to the rescue of these people, and I am glad that I'm sure within the next 3 weeks, 1 month, this road will be ready for better use. And they have graciously informed me that I should be on ground for the commission whenever it's done.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.